Rhino, the second largest land animal after elephant. The bull rhino's penis is slightly bent backward, which help it to spray urine backward when marking a territory. An erected penis of a fully grown rhino bull extends up to 2 feet. A ranger testifies that during mating, the bull rhino mount a female in a copulation lasting between 30 to 90 minutes. Studies found a rhino bull ejaculation contains a total number of 1.1 times 109 spermatozoa. Volume of 24 plus or minus 24 milliliter times concentration of 83 plus or minus 96 times 106 per milliliter. However, the largest penis on the land belongs to elephant, the largest land mammals. An adult elephant penis extends up to 6 feet. Studies found elephant bull ejaculates 47 times, 109 spermatozoa, volume of 56 plus, or minus 38 milliliter times concentration of 818 plus, or minus 750 times 106 per milliliter. Elephants feed on grasses, leaves, shrubs, fruits, and roots. This rhino bull demonstrates powerful penis erection. Look at it. Possibly a reason why male sexual enhancement supplement processors have gone after rhino brands, claiming it for maximizing sexual intercourse time, stopping premature ejaculation, maximizing ejaculation volume, rock-hard erections, increasing penis length, width and thickness, making orgasms more intense, explosive and improving sexual confidence. No scientific approval by legitimate authority about such claims. But what do rhinos eat that contribute to such powerful erection and copulation performance? Observations from black rhinos shows that they eat twigs, leaves, fruits, and branches. If you want to be strong like black rhino, stop eating junks. Eat like black rhino. Don't hunt it for its horn, it won't help you. Protect the endangered.